Looking for the perfect shaver to give you a smooth, comfortable shave every time? Let me introduce you to the Hurrise Electric Shaver for Beard, your new go-to grooming tool. Designed for a comfortable experience, this shaver is built to make your grooming routine smooth and effortless. With soft, ergonomic contours, the Hurrise Electric Shaver glides across your face without pulling or stuttering, ensuring a comfortable shave every time. It's not just about comfort. This shaver's 360 degrees floating blade system is perfect for handling the complex curves of your face. Whether you're tackling your jawline, chin, or the sensitive areas around your neck, it moves with ease, adjusting to every contour. Never worry about running out of battery again. With USB fast charging, you can power up your Hurrise shaver anywhere, perfect for home use or on the go. Plus, it's rechargeable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Shaving has never been easier to clean. The Hurrise Electric Shaver is fully waterproof. Just rinse it under water to keep it fresh and ready for your next shave. Whether you have thick, thin, or coarse hair, the double-ring cambered knife net is engineered for efficient shaving. It easily handles all hair types, ensuring you get a fast and clean shave every time. Upgrade your grooming routine with the Hurrise Electric Shaver. Comfortable, efficient, and easy to use, everything you need for a perfect shave. Get yours today and experience the difference. Don't miss out. Click the link in the description to get your own Hurrise Electric Shaver now.